Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment section. So in today's video, I will be doing a flat twist out on my 4C short natural hair. If you've watched previous videos of mine, I did do a single strand twist out, but this time I was pushing myself beyond my comfort zone to do a flat twist out. Flat twist outs are hard for me to do, like cornrows. So that is a challenge, and also I don't know how the style is gonna turn out, but as you can see, it turned out really pretty. I loved it. I did use the Auntie Jackie's Curl Lala defining curl custard, so that gave me a lot of definition. I rarely get this definition in my hair, so I was so pleased with it. Keep watching to see what the process was and how I managed to make this beautiful look happen. Okay. This is my hair freshly washed. Oh, my hair is growing, guys. Like, if you see my photos from my hair in June or July and today, there has been growth. Like, I can now visually see the length after washing. I can appreciate this, you know. Let's see what's hidden forward length. Oh yeah, there's length. Initially it used to be here. Now it's on top of my nose. So okay guys, so I already did my entire head. I'm just gonna go ahead to show you how I achieved these flat twists in front here. So I'm not trying to get like a perfect line or anything, because that's not the goal. I don't expect my partner to be perfect because, like I said, that's not the ultimate goal. Then I go ahead to apply some of the curl balls, Auntie Jackie Curl Lala curling custard.
I met a girl from the UK. She a dime, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring up the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way back and clothes from your ATM. Wanna glow every time you come in. Be the one with the bag when you're out with your friends. She wants something, she call and check in. You know, I answer when you call and check in. Tell me what's the case, what's the matter? Tell me what's your name, looking fantastic. Dark skin like Fanta. Danger how she move, no panta. Hey, tepe, niña tombong panta, yeah maybe. You got time into, got time for me to, baby, nice what you know. I met a girl from the UK. She a dime, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. Wanna glow every time you come in. Be the one with the bag when you're out with your friends. the ocean. She got waves in the hair just like the ocean. Yeah, like the ocean. Keep it in nose with my man, some distance from the ocean. Wavy like ocean, baby. Yeah, yeah, you're looking like the ocean. Deep in my pocket like the ocean. She bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. Wanna glow every time you come in. Be the one with the bag when you are with your friends. Oh no no no. Girl up for my key. All you really want is my key. You want me to wipe it. I don't really show nothing but love. Girl up for my key. All you really want is my key. You want me to wipe it. I don't really show nothing but love. Bobby, hey Bobby.
4 in the morning, you got me up, all cause you need to talk. To 4 in the evening, wanna break up, say that you've had enough. I'm tired of talking, again and again, argue about everything. You are my darling, this kiss and make up, I know you wanna touch. You call me every night, call me every day, I just wanna get you alone now. Trust me when I say, we gon' be okay, we just gotta boom bada boom ba. I don't wanna fight, you know that I'm right. Baby, let me talk to your body. We gon' be okay, hear me when I say, if you need me, I'm gonna be by your side. If you want me, I'm gonna be there, alright. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. If you call me, I'm gonna pick up the phone. If you tell me, I'm gonna meet you alone. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you right. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you right. I'm gonna treat you right every night. I'm gonna treat you right every day. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you right. When we're out dancing, you on my hips, me on your lips, so sweet. Both understanding. When we're a team, nothing can get to me. I'm yours for the taking. Every part, all of my heart you get. I don't fear nothing when I'm with you, and baby, when you're with me. You call me every night, call me every day. I just wanna get you alone now. Trust me when I say, we gon' be okay. We just gotta boom bada boom ba. I don't wanna fight, you know that I'm right. Baby, let me talk to your body. We gon' be okay, hear me when I say, if you need me, I'm gonna be by your side. If you want me, I'm gonna be there, alright. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. If you call me, I'm gonna pick up the phone. If you tell me, I'm gonna meet you alone. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you right every night. I'm gonna treat you right every day. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you the right way. I'm gonna treat you the right way. Treat I'm gonna treat you the right way. The right way, the right way. Oh, the right way, the right way. Right way, the right way.
Okay, so this is it. My hair is short, so it was a little bit harder trying to get the flat twist, but I tried. So I'm gonna let this dry, and then once I'm done, I will unravel it and see how the style turns out. So stay tuned. It's the following day, and I'm about, I think my flat twists are all dried up. I'm about to unravel them to see how this hairstyle is going to turn out. So stay tuned. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil on my fingers. Apparently this helps reduce any sort of frizz, but like I've said in my other videos, frizz to me implies some sort of volume, so I am not particularly scared about any frizziness in my hair. So unraveling these flat twists, it's pretty easy. You just separate wherever the separation is already like taking place. That's basically what I did, because you don't also want to disturb the definition that you've achieved. So I went ahead to separate them based on where the separation was already happening. I think it's better to just show you than to tell you, so keep watching.
You do, guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Oh, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I wanna spend with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry, that I'm no help, cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends, I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do, guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Oh, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I wanna spend with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no.
Okay, so this is the finished look, guys. I love it. I haven't done a flat twist out in my hair before, so this was completely new to me and I love it. I love it. It turned out really nice. I would do these flat twist outs more often than I do my single strand twist outs. I love this. It is amazing. I love it. I love it. It turned out really nice. It turned out much better than I expected. I didn't have any expectations when doing this hairstyle. However, I am pleased. I love it. It is amazing. I love it. This is definitely going to be my go-to hairstyle now. Like, this will be my hairstyle, my go-to hairstyle. I love it. I don't know how long it's gonna last. However, I do my hair once a week, so we're gonna see how it turns out. But I love it. I love this hairstyle, guys. You can't imagine. I love it. You know, the versatility of our hair, it's baffling, honestly. But I love it. This is a win for me. This is a win. Like, this is a 10 over 10. This is a 10 over 10 for me. I love it. It is easy, it is simple, no tension in my scalp. Like, oh my, this is gonna be my go-to. Like, ow. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my channel today. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Oh, I don't know what you're waiting for. I don't know what you're waiting for. I don't know what you're waiting for, but it is free. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, give this video a thumbs up so whenever I post a video, you'll first to get the notification. Plus, go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye-bye.
Deep in my pocket like the ocean. Bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. In no back, you go shopping with your ATM.